Axie infinity on the daily chart. Nice pullback over here. I also made a video on this a couple days ago. Let's go through that video real quick. Daily chart. We have a pullback over here. We're looking for some issue support. I'm looking at the history of this chart, looking for other pullbacks of similar dollar amount. I'm going to start to map out my 𝗪𝗏 support. Clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high with my trend based fib extension. One more time over here. Pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. That'll be my second price relationship. Next, I can use my Fibonacci retracements. Clicking from this pivot low to pivot high. When I make this pull, you can see we have a 382 retracement. That is an overlapping that first two 𝗪𝗏 support that we just did. Jumping down to an hourly chart, we see that price is trading below the 200 moving average. So we want to be patient with this one. We want to make sure there's strength coming to this chart. Establish a series of higher highs and higher lows above that 200 moving average. Coming back to the chart today, you can see we did come back into our three price relationship. From here, it did try to start to bounce off of this area. And we're going to go down to an hourly chart as well. Right now, it got up above that 200 moving average and it came back down. So we know that there's got to be more strength that comes in. What's good about this chart is that we are currently establishing a series of higher lows. I'm not saying that this higher lows is definitely going to stick around. We're going to monitor this day by day until we get exactly what we're looking for, which is price getting up above the 200 moving average. And from there, we can position the size correctly and setting our stop below this pivot low. Just in case Axie infinity goes against us, take your small loss, move on to another chart. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.